Hello friends, welcome to AllTricks. Today we are going to unbox this hard disk enclosure. Let me open it up. It's hard to open with one hand and one recording from the other. So let me take out the hard disk enclosure. Okay, it's almost out. Done. Now, if we look on the box, we see 4 TB test passed. That means it can support up to 4 TB. This is from a company called SMACC. I don't know which company is this. I bought it from local store. There is nothing much on sites. Let's go to the specification section. Here we can see it supports USB 2 and USB 3. Transfer rate 480 Mbps and 6 Gbps respectively, USB 2 and USB 3. So this is megabit per second, not megabyte per second. Then size of hard disk 2.5 inches. You have to use the laptop hard disk which you see which is being used in laptop. So that kind of hard disk will be used here. Now let's move to the operating system supported. Windows Millennium, XP, Vista, Windows 7, and you can see Windows 9 after Windows 8, then Windows 10. Windows 9 never came. Let's see the specification which is posted above. It says most of the things which is there. Just one extension supported with map. Now coming to our main ingredients. So we have this short cable, very short cable they have given with this device, and it's a USB A to micro USB B, USB 3 cable. In the case, we have a connector for the same female connector where we have to plug the B type USB 3 cable. Just slide it, you will be able to see the chip where you have to attach your 2.5-inch hard disk. Just slide the hard disk on the slot and slide the cover. You are ready to use the hard disk. Hope you like this unboxing. We'll get back to you soon. Thank you and have a good day.